Handy Andy back with another unboxing. This time we're doing the TP-Link Tapo outdoor security Wi-Fi camera. This particular model is the C320WS. And really what makes this remarkable, or I guess notable, is the fact that it has 2K video and also full-time color. So even at nighttime, you're going to get a color footage. We're going to just do the unboxing, but of course I will be reviewing this. But let's begin with this unboxing and see what's inside. So it comes with quick start guide. First thing that you notice, very important. And of course, what's a quick start guide with another quick start guide? I'm starting to see a trend with all these products. Keep seeing that all the time. Here is this other yellow thing. I'm gonna have to read the instructions to see what that's all about. And then I guess there's some more miscellaneous information. Before we look at the camera, let's just go look at the power source, see what it looks like. Oh, it's proprietary. Wish it was USB-C. But you can't have your way all the time, as I'm finding out with these products. Oh, what's this? Well, that's gonna have to figure out what that is. Looks like it's some part of the mount. And it also comes with some screws and inserts. Now let's go ahead and take a look at this camera, because that's what everyone's here for. Wow, this looks pretty hefty duty. Look, it's got big antennas, so I bet you it's got good Wi-Fi signal. There is a power, so this is powered. It's not a purely wireless camera. It's wireless in the sense that it does get the video footage on Wi-Fi, but it's going to be powered, it looks like, by either Ethernet, so you can do an Ethernet connection to here instead of Wi-Fi, but you're going to have to plug this into the wall to get it to work. So I'll just clean this up and we'll just kind of do a quick overview. Actually, you know what? No, let's just end it right here. So here's what you get, okay? So you got your instruction manuals. You got this adapter, which looks like goes on the back. I'll have to read the instructions to see exactly what this is. Inserts and the power. The notable thing about this camera, if you're watching this, is remember this. To power the camera, you're going to need a power source, but the footage is going to be sent Wi-Fi. So this is the benefit is here is you don't actually have to switch or change batteries. If you have that power source nearby, this is going to do exactly what you want it to do. So in the future, pretty soon, I'm going to be installing this along with two other Tapo camera systems to pretty much create a home security system in my home. So you'll want to watch that, because this one I'm going to be putting facing my Airbnb suite, because I do have a power source up there, and then I can monitor people checking in and checking out to make sure that I know that they've left and have arrived. So you want to watch that review, but this concludes the unboxing of this system, the outdoor Wi-Fi security camera from TP-Link. Be sure to watch the full review as I put this through the tests, and we'll of course check how that footage looks as well. Andy Baryer, Handy Andy, signing out. See you at the review of this product.